Okay, so the frame has been removed. Now two things. One, this membrane that need to be removed because we need access to remove the glass, so that's one thing. And then these things, this beading, so that again we get access, enough space to remove the glass. We need space to maneuver the glass, so for that this also need to be removed, so from both sides. So one there, and from here just lift it up and up, so you can just take it out like this. That's it. So both those removed. Now the membrane has been removed, and I don't know from where the water is getting inside. See, as you can see here, there's a lot of water, and also on the membrane, see, there's a lot of water here. So this is quite important. So once you kind of remove the membrane, the next bit is to remove the glass, and for that just there is a clip behind it. So you just flip the clip like this yellow thing, I mean not the yellow, the off-white thing, is to flip it like this here, and there is one inside there as well. So two clips, release two clips, and then the glass will come off from the top. And once the glass comes out, you have access to these bolts here. 1, 2, and the third one, which kind of sits behind that. So you have to go through here. You have to go through here with a small ratchet kind of thing. So that is that. And those are the three connections. One, this is the light, this is the NFC, and that is the other connection. Now the tricky bit I'll show you. I'll show you once those bolts are taken out. So these are the 10 mm ones. So just going in. And a view from the top, just to kind of show you the connections. So remove two bolts, one more remaining, and before, let me just show you that. this is. Okay, even after you remove all the three bolts, there is no way you can maneuver the handle out because of this particular channel that's here, and especially when the door is in a unlocked position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the door, lock the car so that the handle will go inside, and then maneuver the handle out of it from the inside. So lock the car. So car is locked, handle is like that, and then I will like this from the side. So that way you have the door handle released. Now to release the clips, so these are the three clips, I mean not the three connections, so we'll release the clip one after the other. So that one, these are just lift and pull, lift and pull. I can't do it with one hand, so just going to my camera down. So this is carefully. This one lift and pull. So lift and pull. Lift and pull. So all three connections released as well. And these are the connections. So the leftmost one is the light, middle one is the NFC, this is the other rest of the things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the electronics bit out now. This is how you kind of remove the door panel and door handle, and you can close the car, and you can just pull this to open the door in case you need to open the door. So that's fine. So okay, all removed. The reverse, putting it back, it's just a reverse process. So I'll stop this here now for the time being.